Yo, what's the deal? Yo, it's your boy Rico back with another video, and as you can see from the title, you already know what it is. But before we get into all that, you know what I need you to do. Dab a little sauce on the bell button, drop down, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share with all your friends, your enemies, and all y'all haters. So just as promised, this is part 3 to the whole my haircut process, where I have to cut my hair, wash my hair, and then kind of like protective style. I like to do is like wet my hair a little bit. Most people probably do their hair dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually not gonna do small coils or a whole bunch of twists for you guys. I'm actually gonna do like a few jumbo ones just to save time. I'm just going to show you guys like the particular brands that I like to use for my hair. I like to use the Moroccan Curling Perfection by OGX. This one is the Defining Cream. And then this one right here, the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curly Smoothie. I'm really digging that. I'm digging their collection, but and then also we have the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curling Gel Souffle. I use that as like, that's the last thing that I use, but whatever. And then also we got my conditioner again, and this is by Ren Pure Originals 2, just like my shampoo and conditioner, the coconut water mist leave-in treatment. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you guys what I do now. I need to put them in the order that I run it, so let me go ahead and do that. So but before I do all that, what I like to do, like I said, I'm just gonna do it. I can't find my comb. Show you. So what I'm doing right now is just putting it in like 3 major parts. So like a piece in the back, because I like mine in the back to go in a row this way, and then the sides to lay on the side. So that's what I'm gonna do for that. And so yeah, men, don't be afraid to learn how to do your own hair. You ain't always gotta depend on a woman to do it, but I mean, if you prefer a woman who doesn't want a woman putting their hair, then go ahead and do that. Like I said, make sure you get your towel because it can get a little bit messy. So I'm just gonna pretend like I've split this down the middle. Oh my God. This is why it's important to have a comb. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus. Help me, so yeah. Okay, we're probably gonna just go ahead and speed this part up. All right, so what I also forgot, one product I forgot to mention is I created this little hair oil or whatever. So I'm going to actually put all the, so I like to start off with it wet and then go in, even though they say, you know, oil and water don't mix and all that bull crap, but I just like to get in my scalp. Make sure you grease, always make sure you grease your scalp. All right, so let's start with this section. So I'm just gonna do one. I'll do a small, yeah, that's good enough, section here. I'll just show you guys one, and then I'm gonna just probably like fast forward through the rest of the video. All right, so first, what I do with your hair wet, now you could, if it's not wet enough, you can add extra moisture to it with the water. Okay, so my first thing I do, or second thing I do after I wet it, is I use the hair mist. I just, my hands wet. Get that good. And just comb that through, finger comb it. Finger comb that through really good. Okay, I had my hair nose twist, so a lot of my dead hair was coming out. And then I'll take some conditioner, not a lot, that's just like a little dime size or a penny size or whatever, and then I'll put that in. All right, this is starting to get I put that in, comb that through. And a little bit goes a long way, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta saturate your hair. That's why I wet it first. And then I do the definer. Again, a little bit goes along because you don't want to create, you know, that buildup or whatever. Just enough product to do what it need to do. All right. Okay. And then I go with the Maui coconut curling souffle, or no, the smoothie, the curling smoothie. I put more than a little generous amount on that. I'm not gonna flex. Okay, that is really starting aggravating me. Okay, and then I seal it with the gel souffle, because I don't put gel in my hair, like real gel, like the eco style and all that. Not knocking people who do, but I just don't. Okay. Oh my God. So yeah, okay, so now I twist. I try not to twist the front of my head too tight because I don't want to pull out my baby hairs, my edges, you dig? So you are gonna have like this white residue, but that's fine for what it's going to do, because I'm gonna wrap my hair for 15 minutes. And don't be laughing at my ghetto hair wrap. That's just what I do, you know what I'm saying? You'll learn. Then I twist the ends. So you have, you know that twist. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. So enjoy. Alright, so now after all of them are twisted, like I said, don't mind the white residue or whatever. Now look, don't judge me, bro. Don't judge me, bro. I know you gonna judge me. Bro, if you don't know about the white paper bag or the plastic bag hair bonnets, you sleep, bro. Step your game up. Just allowing the product to set in. So I'll probably be back in like 15 minutes, so stay tuned. All right. So we are back, and it's been about 15 or 20 minutes or so. So I'm gonna take this off, and like I said, it's not going to be a major change, but it is what it is because I'm going to then wrap. So yeah, there you have it. You got the jumbo twists or whatever. This one's real jumbo. So you have that going for you, so that way it can dry for tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. So Again, if you like this video, comment down below. Dab a little sauce on the bell button, drop down, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for your boys so that you and me can vibe. Hey, bars. Nah, but for real. But if you like this video, comment down below and, you know, just share it. Again, thank you for all the love and support that you guys are showing. And yeah, we out. So this is my twist out because we out. So Rock Squad, we out. Be easy.